And the rule of thumb is you get the area you are planting, and roughly an acre is 4,000 meters. You divide that by the spacing. You will have that nearly there. That is the plants. Now for the shade trees, you will use a spacing of 20 meters by 20 meters to answer your question. And roughly, if there are these multi-storied shade, you will have not more than 15 in an acre. You have more, you are not doing business. However, you could also have windbreakers on the sides, and that's where you have to decide if you are going to do integration of livestock, because livestock gives you a source of nitrogen in the manure if you do composting. There you can plant coriander and allow a few stems of coriander to grow every 20 meters. Then the others you are cutting at 2 meters or 1.5 meters, and that shrubbage you take you weed it and take it to the cattle, those with the ruminants, those with the four stomachs. Have I answered you, young man? And one thing that I didn't like, you said you retired. You can't retire in Africa, man. It's a hustle until you die. You should actually tell your heart is stopping, either in diastole or syastole. The only problem, you will not know who to tell that you are dying and your heart stopped in syastole. So don't retire. Thank you.
Yes.
I have 2 questions. We failed to do this agriculture because we buy fertilizers every other year. Talk about fertilizers. You talked about that you put fertilizers to prune